Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes stop mouse acceleration in Windows 11. First method is change Bluetooth and devices settings. Second method is change control panel settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.